Hey guys, thanks for joining us on the Passport Snob channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining us, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. If you're a returning Passport Snob, thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on any of the social media platforms of your choice. Now, as you know, we've just ended our How to Plan a Trip 101 series, and we've given you all the necessary tools to plan your own trip. But with the state of travel right now, we decided that we want to bring you guys another series. Even though travel may not go back to the normal that we're used to, more and more people are deciding that they are ready to travel. If you're anything like Kavina and myself, you've probably got the travel itch and you're ready to go somewhere, you're ready to book a trip and just vacation. This quarantine time has been tremendously stressful for a lot of us, so it's definitely time to get out there and start traveling. Our plans personally changed drastically this year. We had several international trips planned, but we actually had to change all of our plans, and we still wanted to travel, but we wanted to do so with precaution. So this year we planned several other trips that allowed us to keep our distance from other people and still be able to travel at the same time. So what we want to do in our new series is bring you pandemic trip ideas for the US. In this series, we will highlight destinations and trip ideas that are perfect if you want to travel but are hesitant due to the conditions today. Stay tuned.
The reason I get fly is Ivan Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love.
The first pandemic trip idea that we are bringing to you guys is a beach house rental. Renting a house on the beach is the ultimate relaxation vacation, and we recommend a specific location that is great all around: Dauphin Island, Alabama. Dauphin Island is a true hidden gem of the Gulf Coast. This Gulf Coast island is just a 1-hour ride from the Mobile, Alabama area, or a 30-minute mobile ferry ride from Fort Morgan. It's the ultimate outdoor vacation area. Envision bike paths, walking trails, and miles of sandy white beaches. Dauphin Island tops our list for best pandemic trip ideas because of its private beaches. If you rent a house here, it is likely that you will have access to a private beach from your rental property that you and your family and friends can enjoy and safely social distance from others. There are multiple companies on the island where you can rent beach equipment such as umbrellas, chairs, and even toys. If you decide to bring along kids, these companies will deliver these items to you, and they're at great prices. If you decide to visit public beaches, don't worry. The beaches are large and there's so much room for everyone to social distance. During our stay on Dauphin Island, we opted to buy groceries and cook, but there are so many dining options available. So if you want to eat out, there are places to go. But if you decide to be like us and cook, be sure to buy your groceries ahead of time before you get to the island, as there is no grocery store there, only a convenience store with a bit of pricey items for you to buy. A must-try experience on the island is taking the mobile ferry from Dauphin Island to Fort Morgan. There are spectacular views from the mobile ferry, as well as an abundance of marine life that you can see in the clear green-blue ocean below. So we definitely recommend, if you have a chance, to take the mobile ferry, to do so if you've never experienced one before, because it is absolutely amazing. If you want to enjoy some shopping and a quick getaway, you can take a short day trip, and just 30 more minutes away from Fort Morgan is Orange Beach, which is an absolutely wonderful little city that does have its own beach as well. So you can take a day trip, do some shopping, and enjoy a different beach on the Gulf Coast. We will continue to highlight destinations and trip ideas to take during the pandemic each and every Saturday. So be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. See you next time, guys.